So I'm not sure exactly how much you saw, but as I'm pulling things out of the cabinet, I'm coming across things like Frank's Red hot sauce. It's supposed to be hot sauce, and it's yellow. And when I check the expiration date, it is... I can't even find an expiration date on here. That's how bad it is. So my point is, try not to judge me. I have a bad habit of just keeping things and not throwing things away, and then they end up sitting in the cabinet for long periods of time, and I don't even know that they're expired. However, I am making a lot of progress here. I've gotten done two cabinets, 2 drawers, and like I mentioned before, I hate drawers because they're full of so many tiny little pieces that just accumulate and cause clutter for no reason. And it's just a hodgepodge of a bunch of different things that takes a super long time to sort out. So I'm making my way around to the spice cabinet, and I know that's going to be a process. Honestly, I really just want to throw everything out and start over, because I know that I do want to organize the spices into some type of neat way that looks really clean and that is also super functional. A lot of times with apartment units, they have these corner spaces, which essentially they have like dead corners where there's spaces that you typically can't really use. For example, this was pushed really far back, all the way into the back of the cabinet, where I couldn't even see it or knew that it was there for me to even be like, oh my God, this expired 5 years ago, I need to throw it out. So my point being is that I really want to find a way to maximize the space in these cabinets and make the best use of the cabinets that I do have. It's not a super small kitchen, but it's also not a lot of cabinet space, and like I said, the dead corners. So onward and upward, I'm gonna keep chugging along. This looks disgusting, but it smells amazing. I know, terrible, right? Mm. 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 So many plastic bags before the plastic ban. So here are the 2 boxes of stuff to give away. So I actually thought that there would be less of this. But yeah, it's 2 of like the medium-sized boxes from Home Depot. And they're pretty full. So this is what we're giving away. Hopefully that can be repurposed, but honestly things like this where I think I threw away the actual bowl part of it. I don't know what you call it, but yeah, that's what we're left with. So I don't even know if someone can use that. I really actually do like these little cups, but I have not used them once in the time since I got them. It's for like little ice cream sundaes, so I thought that was super cute. So hopefully somebody will get some kind of use out of that. Yeah, and just various other items that I have not used in a long time. So let's take a look at what is left.